Hi, was Sabanath, Small Steps Trader channel. So this thumbnail and you may feel the result is contradicting. See, I prepared this thumbnail at the time morning hours. So it was touched the peak. So after that only it has came down. But anyway, it's still the thumbnail is meaningful because it touched the all-time high. That's what I said. It's a touched another peak. So, but anyway, though this fall is quite obvious, but we no need to worry whether it is a start or downtrend. That and all we will see in the chart. Okay, so anyway, it's happy to see that Nifty test 21,600, just 5 points away from 600. It's very good peak. Okay, before going to the video, today's tidbit. A trader who feels overjoyed when he wins and depressed when he loses is at the mercy of market moves and cannot accumulate equity. So the thing is, a trader should not be overwhelmed, overjoyed with any good profitable trade. At the same time, if any considerable losses happens, he should not completely depressed and give up his hope. He should not give up his hope. So he have to balance, see the profitable trade and losing trade. So as long as he analyzes and why the losses has happened and learns something out of that, that will be a good loss only. So that is not a loss, that is the expense to gain that experience, cost to gain that experience. So that way we have to treat it. Okay, now we will go to the video. So before going to the main video, disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my use for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Sorry. Okay. So Nifty 300 point negative closure. So though it is a very big negative closure, but if you see the overall the rally, this 300 is not a big deal. So nothing to worry. So that's how we have to take. So 300 point negative closure at 21,150. The detail we will see in the chart. So the left side you can see that top gainer and loser. Have a pause of the video, have a glance in that. Now we will go to the market statistics. So today 2,600 stocks traded, in which only 358 stock ended positively. So that's how the market. 2,159 stock ended negatively. 83 stocks prices unchanged. 71 stock touched the upper circuit limit. 164 stock touched the lower circuit limit. So this is we have to be worried about it. The 52-week high is 198 stock. 23 stocks touched the 52-week low. So this is very much contradicting. How 300 point it is touched the 52-week high, but how come 198 stock touched the 52-week high? That is nothing. It's very simple. How the Nifty touched the all-time high, then it has came down 500 points. Similarly, these stocks also touched the 52-week high, and most of the stocks may came down from that. So that's how that is the reality behind this, that we have to imagine ourselves. Okay, so now we will see the culprit who contributed Nifty to fall. So who is the best top contributor? If you see, first see the negative. If you see the negative, L&T 22 points. How come only 22 points and Nifty fall that much? And Nifty only 22 points, now how much fall that much? The reason is all the stocks collectively dragged the Nifty down 300 points. Not 300 points, 500 points from the top of today. So almost all stocks, just over 4 stocks exemption, all other 46 stocks dragged the Nifty down. So it is a collective effort of all the stocks, so nothing to blame any 1 or 2 stocks highly. And the best thing is ONGC and 3 point and Tata Consumer 1 point supported the Nifty from the fall of another 5 points. We can have to treat that way. Okay, the next we will see the FII data. So as you know, until recording this video, the data doesn't come. So this is until yesterday's record. So based on the yesterday's record, the FIR on net buyer of 29,098 crores, huge buying, and DIA 3,890 stocks net buyer. So today result we doesn't know, so it may change. Let me see. So I was expected this month it will touch 35,000 crore, but anyway another few more sessions are there. Let me see how it goes in the next sessions. So now we will see the previous month wise data. So this is month wise record for your reference. Have a pause of the video and have a glance. Now we'll go to the chart. Nifty previous close 21,453, open 21,543, almost 90 point gap up, and from there further it is rallied from another 50 points. So it was in the it was nothing to worry till around 1 o'clock. Then the fall has started. Huge fall, huge fall, drastically it fell. There is no sign of attempting to go in the higher side. It's completely surrendered in the downfall. We can see it's completely dragged. So if you see from the high, it has closed 2150. So more than nearly if you see 150 400, more than 450 points approximately from the high it has down. So very huge fall. Then the one good thing is about Nifty Bank. So though Nifty Bank fall 425 points, it's quite huge. If usually the bank in the normal market, Bank Nifty will go to 2.5 times of Nifty, if downside 2.5 times. So that way it didn't came like Nifty. So that way we can happy with the Bank Nifty. If that also happens, it also fell around 1000 points, the Nifty would be minus 500 would be in close. Now it is minus 325, but it would be more than 400 minus. So so that way we can appreciate the Bank Nifty that it didn't fall as like Nifty. Okay, now we will see the max pen. Before we will see the trend, we will see the max pen, then we will come back to the overall trend. So based on the monthly contract, the Nifty max pen is 21,100. So almost it came close to that. So the max pen is nothing but it's a tentative strike where the market closes at the expiry. Though another 5 days are there, this will change. Similarly for Bank Nifty, 47,500 is the max pen. So same as yesterday, though the market is fell drastically, the max pen doesn't change. So this we have to remember. This is open interest chart of Bank Nifty. So the highest call open interest at 48,000 and highest put open interest is 46,000. So it was 50,000 I think yesterday. The highest call and highest put is was 46, but today the highest call open interest is 48. So it seems that market doesn't go beyond this within the expiry. So there is another a lot of room to fall in the downside. So that's what it indicates us, but it was a drastic change. So based on only open interest we cannot judge the market. We can take that as a reference. That's what it clearly indicates us. Now we will see Nifty Bank. Yes. So this is the 21,000 is the important strike. This was yesterday both call and put open interest collectively highest strike actually. Even today morning this was the scenario, but within few hours the entirely it is changed. Now the highest put open interest showing that 2100 and highest open call open interest was 21500. So that's the reason I said we cannot completely rely on the open interest. We can take that as the reference. So now what seems is it may take a break here. The further downfall won't be there based on today's open interest, but we can I'm saying that anytime it will may drastically change. But according to the today's present open interest, the Nifty fall may stop 21,000. So it may act as a support. That we will see in the chart. So we will change it to day chart. So if you see here, 21,000 is the support now. So I keep on said that till here it was a gradual sustainable growth, I said, but beyond this it was vertical growth. So we cannot happy with this kind of positive move. I said if the fall starts, it will be upside down. A couple of times I said in my previous sessions. So that's what it indicating today. So based on the day chart, still there is no huge negativity. Just it has came down from the overbought zone. So the main thing is we have to see the day chart trend. So if you see the RSI, so this is quite worry. So if you see this inclination, so it shows that the negativity is strong. But though until unless it crosses below 50 mark, we cannot take it. But if you see the 1 hour chart, it had happened. So that first we will see the Bank Nifty also, then I will go to that. Now we will see the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty till here the growth is the movement is very good, but here it is a vertical growth. See the huge fall. So now the immediate support is 47,000. The next level support would be this level, 46,200. So the previous high, this will be the psychological support. The strong support we can say the 45,000 only. In Nifty, 21,000 is the immediate support. The previous high, the 2200 would be the next level support, and 20,000 would be the third level support for Nifty. Now if you see the 1 hour chart, I quite relate the 1 hour chart. So if you see the 1 hour chart, it looks that the downtrend, at least though it is not even it is not downtrend, the pullback has started, the mean reversion has started. So that's what I am seeing in the Nifty also. So it crossed the 50 line mark. So if you see it is crossed and immediately rebound, but I don't think it may happen in the same kind will happen now. So if you see the based on the day chart, so my expectation it would be at least 20,200, the previous all-time high would be definitely will come. So that's where in 50 EMA also near to that. So that is the another reason I am saying the mean reversion. So there is a chances it may come here. Okay, so this is the large cap index status. Now we will see the mid and small cap. So that is most important. And if you see today, that also causing worry. So the mid and small 400. Around 500 points. See the candle size. So it was gradually, inch by inch, it has keep on progressed. But in one day, see how much more. Very huge, very huge. So this is one thing we have. Causing the second level, we have to be very cautious. And the next one is micro cap. Similarly, see how much, 800 points almost. That has come down. See the candle. So now these two index indicating that at least the mean reversion to the 50 EMA Nifty, that 20,200 we can expect. That's what it indicates. So everyone, no one won't digest the downfall, but obviously we have to accept that the uncertainty is certain in the market, that we should not ignore it. So whatever it may be, so though the movement, it was a healthy movement. So far that rally was not a healthy, it's not a sustainable growth, it's not a sustainable movement. So only that has started corrected, so nothing to worry. Now we'll see how the US market performed yesterday. So Dow 251 point positive closure, and S&P 527 points, and Nasdaq 100 all 98 points. And by the time of recording this video, the UK market today is very much positive. See the percentage 0.6, 0.7 percentage. But Euro market almost, though it looks negative, but it's close to flat, we can say, not that much. So it is contradicting. This is confusing us. So we have to keep it in mind. So today, how the US market closes, that is crucial for us now. So yesterday the US market, see so far it is a very good positiveness, and similarly S&P 500. So the same scenario was in Nifty in our market. Now we will see the day chart. So it is very gradual. So again I keep on saying that 36,000 we can expect the main direction, but when, not sure. But I thought that before Christmas it doesn't happen, Christmas and New Year, so because that is a very much celebrative event, so it won't happen. But we cannot surely say in the market anything. Okay, so I hope this video is very much informative to you. We will see in next video. Be careful in the market. Wish you all the best. See you next video. Bye bye. Thank you.